Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Haka arpusau terik ujamang, ka East Khasi Hills District Chess Association. Kalau pun kut no eka jingilek ka chess tournament B, kabala long arsngi Halama Villa Community Hall Shillong. Hagani kasngi lapan hak perda yakni ka jingilek kai, Dao Kongsan, uba BJ Singh, ubalong Joint Secretary jangka All Indian Chess Federation, haka jingi don rengkat lang, President jangka Meghalaya Chess Association uba Boni Kharmani, President jangka East Khasi Hills District Chess Association uba Pernai Marbanyang, bat General Secretary ke East Khasi Hills District Chess Association uba Rijit Katrai, nalor kiwe-kiwe. Hagani kasngi la jet ru iki khatsan ngot kinoi lek kai chess, kentup yau KK Pajat, K Jerwa, Y Paudel, G Pak Sentiu, GB Lindam, N Pajat, A Baman, SD Sarkar, S Das, LR Marbanyang, MC Maulong, BS Nausiet, KS Paswet, S Nongbet, bat S Lingdo, kiban elik shimenta haka chess tournament A kaban Longshan, naduk ka nyau, haduk ka khandai terik bana jili mentau senam arajar khat pra, hagani kasngi la sam ru iki kusnam ringkat ki trophy. Bat ka song pisa syaki nong job hagani ka jilak ka chess, haka bau ba krau kupar Pajat. Ulai ora ai kanam Lakdo, uba Kevin Jerwa, ulai ora ai kanam Baar, bat uba Yemu Podel, ulai ora ai kanam Balai, kat baka IT Lin, Ding Do, kalayo ora yakanam Best Women.
I, on behalf of Meghalaya Chess Association, welcome you to the 42nd State A-Level Chess Championship to be held from 7th to 9th of June in Tura. So in Tura, we will be having a tough competition because why? I would narrate a little bit. Garo Hills Chess Association is coming up very prompt. In the recent Northeast Chess Championship held in Shillong, there were 2 participants from Garo Hills. One came 4th and one came 12th. So this is a big alert to the East Khasi Hills that those who will be representing East Khasi Hills going to Tura, you will have to be prepared more. Here the tournament, it may be a little bit easier with so many new faces, less experience, but there you will face lots. So you please be prepared for that. And at the same time, I would like to say those who are not qualified from here, amongst those 15, they can always come there with a donors entry. Donors entry are always welcome to the State A. And that will be only for 3 days. You are all welcome.